Right now, the sentiment score for the world topic is at -0.025, which is surprisingly low compared to our historical baseline. This signals a notable dip in overall sentiment, despite a solid momentum of +0.684 over the past 24 hours. It suggests that while there's a strong upward trend in engagement or activity, the prevailing mood is still negative. This could be a critical moment for your applications. Think about using this data to drive alerts or notifications in your platform. For example, if you're building a news aggregator, you can use our API to highlight articles that might be contributing to this negative sentiment, allowing users to stay informed. Get started with our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.